Yeah,
No,
look at that, walking
I
like a little
think I'm a
penguin.
little lost too.
Wait,
Well,
what the heck? What's
what
that
happens
noise?
in your book?
Well, here, I'll show you.
Oh,
What is?
what's that?
What is she
I
doing?
don't know. Okay, hold on, Mouse. I need to go open this.
Okay.
Alright.
Wait, what is this?
I don't know. It just
What?
arrived in our house.
I have no idea what's going
I
on.
have no idea what this is. Wait, I better
What?
close my eyes then.
You better close your eyes. Don't.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Here goes.
Close your
Here
eyes,
comes.
Mel.
You know what?
Uh,
Oh.
Uh. Oh. No. Okay. Don't look.
Wait,
okay.
turn off the camera first.
Oh, right. Good idea.
That way, it wouldn't be too predictable.
Yeah.
Why is the light cut off?
Okay.
Alright.
Here it goes.
Oh.
Here it comes.
Oh, an ulcer. Oh, it's an ulcer. What? Alright. You and open.
Oh my god!
A clear for MALPS. No, MALPS is gonna be known as the original MALPS, not the MALPS
Oh my
MALPS.
god!
Hey guys, me Mops here, and
Clean MALPS. You're gonna be surprised at who's also there.
yeah, we're,
What?
no, it's well, oh look, it's a pink Yoshi resembles the Mops.
Yeah!
Now we got the Cleese MALPS. Looks like MALPS is gonna be known as, well, the original MALPS, or just still call her MALPS.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
From now on, we're gonna call her first MALPS Cleese MALPS.
Yes. Well, in that case, if there's a Mouse here, that means. Wait, hold on, Sonic. Where'd you go? Did I hear, mate?
Yep, it's gonna be the Clear 54 version of MALPS.
Oh my god!
Looks like it's gonna be a different universe.
Well, that means.
No
Wait.
way!
Okay, here we go. I always wanted to do this.
Here we go.
That's how I even get stood up, even!
Yeah.
Wait.
Hold on, let me get my normal voice, wait. And my tape. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let me change the mic screen so I can see it well. Hey guys, me Mouse here. Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger. It's me, Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh my god!
No, we finally got
Oh my god!
This is a very surprising thing.
Yep.
Yeah!
It's like, hey guys,
Please,
it's Mouse
buddy.
here. And Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger, and Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh my god. Wow.
Okay,
Wow.
we're back.
This is
Wow.
technically
Yeah, I heard everything that was going on in the background.
so now that the Clan 50, so I'm pretty sure the Clan 54 mounts will be the
Wow.
last ever brand new plushie, the last ever brand new character in Clee's side in 2019.
Yeah.
Since it's about to be the end of this decade. I hope.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And that was the perfect way. And that was a perfect way. Now this is what I call the most shocking thing that has ever happened.
Yeah. The most shocking thing that MALPS has ever seen in her entire life.
Oh my god. Yeah, no way.
Yeah, I can't believe it either.
Oh my god.
No, Robbie's done. Surprise, we're done with now.
Oh my god, now I have all 3 of the main characters. Ow.
Yeah, okay, ever since I was in let's hear about Toys R Us.
Toys R Us. Oh, I see.
Yeah. You know, Buzz, since we now have our own version of MALPS. Hey, Buzz, I have an idea. Oh, good idea, Sheriff.
Oh,
What?
Oh, you'll see what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
No.
wait a minute. I get it. It's the same. The same thing.
Yep. Oh, we're not done yet. Wait, hold on. Let me
Okay.
get my mouse voice mouse voice ready. Okay. Hey, mouse. Look at me, mouse. Take some deep breaths and breathe. Take some deep breaths and breathe slowly. All right. That's right, Ranger. Deep breaths and steady breathing. Are you okay, Mouse? Clean out 54 Mouse? Yeah, I am. Glad you are, Ranger. Glad you are. I
Oh my god,
Need a
Mouse.
final.
I can't even.
Card.
oops, you accidentally put on my butt. sorry about that. It's fine, Ranger, it's fine.
I don't.
Oh boy.
Wow. I
I'm talking about inner freaking out. Yeah, you say it.
wow.
Oh my god.
You're the Ranger. Why? Wait. I want a hug too.
Oh.
Oh.
Cute.
Mm.
Once 2019 is over, we're gonna rub off the 19 number in the whiteboard and write the 20 instead. So now it'll become 2020.
Yeah. And me?
Hmm? Oh my god.
Oh my god. What was that sound? You're being hugged by yourself.
Mouse hugging Mouse. Mouse is hugging Mouse.
There, me.
Yeah.
Let it out. Everything's fine.
Mouse is hugging Mouse. Yeah.
My god.
It's okay. And I am proud to be part of Queenside.
I'm glad that you are.
Yeah. Wow. What a surprise.
Yeah. Oh my god.
No.